To view the header in an Excel sheet, you can change the view to page layout by opening Microsoft Excel, selecting the desired spreadsheet, and navigating to the View option in the Excel ribbon. From there, click on the Page Layout button and select Headers and Footers, which will cause the Header and Footer Design tab to appear at the top of the Excel window. You can then select the Header button to view the header in your worksheet. Alternatively, you can click on the small arrow down in the bottom right corner of the Page Setup, which will open the Page Setup dialog box and allow you to view the header directly in the header section. Another option is to check the print preview by opening the spreadsheet, clicking on the File tab in the Excel ribbon, and selecting Print from the File menu. This will display a preview of your worksheet, including the header. You can also access the print preview by pressing Ctrl and P on your keyboard simultaneously, then scrolling to the top of the preview to view the header. To edit headers in Excel, you can go to the Page Layout tab, click on Headers and Footers, and select Headers to make changes. It is also possible to have different headers on different pages in Excel by using the options for odd and even pages, as well as the first page option in the Page Setup dialog box. This allows you to create unique headers for various pages in your worksheet. Overall, there are several methods to view and edit headers in Microsoft Excel.